scoot this around. All right, that plane that I want to make a plane that's parallel with this side right here. All right, but it goes through those 2 points that are just inside. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to go to 3D selection. I'm going to make a plane. I'm going to choose that side. And then in here, I'm going to do some offset. So I'm going to offset it. Let's see. I could do offset. I could do lots of different types. And yeah, I'm just going to do offset. I know that those lines or those points are 1 inch in from the side. So I'm just going to offset by 1 inch. And I need to make sure it's offset the right direction. Right now it is not. So I need to select opposite direction. And we can see that that plane's going through those points. So now I'm going to hit check. And we are good to go. Now I'm going to create a sketch on that plane. So new sketch on that plane. And let's make sure we're talking about the right plane here. Yep, that's my sketch plane. Alright, so I'm going to double tap, go normal to the plane. Okay, so I want to go from, well, I want to do a couple things here. One of them is I want to set a circle. Alright, because I'm going to make my, kind of my axle hole, if you will, or the part where my axle goes through. I'm going to make that down here. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do that because it's a ring. And then I might need to go back and look at my dimensions. So that sketch isn't done really yet, but I need to go back and check some dimensions that I did. And that would require me to go into sketch. I don't remember which one it is, sketch 2. Alright, so we're going to go into sketch 2. I'm going to take a look at it. Alright, so I had my hole was 0.2. I got to view normal to sketch. Alright, hole was 0.2. The distance from the car part was 2 inches to the center of the hole. And then I had those other 2 lines. Okay, we're doing pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and, let's see, anything else? Yep, I'm going to go ahead and check that. Cool, so let's go back to Part Studio. Alright, so I want to dimension. Oops, I don't want to make a new sketch. I want to edit this sketch. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to dimension from here to there. I want that to be 2 inches. There we go. And then I want that circle to be 0.2. And I think I want that to be, I don't remember right now. Was it 0.4? Looks like 0.4 is about right. Alright, there's that. I did not want to finish that sketch, sorry. Edit. I just wanted those to be hidden. There we go. And now I'm going to draw lines from those points up there. Draw a line from this point. Nope. Try that again. I'm going to draw a line from that point right there to right to the center, actually. Oh, line. Let's try that. Center to, not to there. It's harder than it looks. We'll just do that for now. And then see if I can do this. No, not that. Then a new one from here. And man, this is rough. Want that to go there. I want that to be coincident. This is going to be interesting. Alright, so I'm going to select that one. 2.4. Okay. So I want to make coincident. Oops, I have to select them. I want those two. I'm going to double tap here. I want to select. No. Am I out of this? I'm not out of the sketch. It's not letting me select. I don't know why. I'm in sketch 8. Alright, let's try this again. No, I want that point right there. Alright, let's do this. Let's view normal to sketch. Select that point right. Why won't that point let me select? Alright. Well, I'm going to undo then. Let's do that a couple times. I don't have anything else I can undo. Interesting. What is going on? Alright, I'm going to do something. We're going to go to sketch 8. We're going to edit sketch 8 again. Edit. We're going to view normal. Alright, there's something going on with those lines. I think that was the issue. Alright, so let's try this again. I want to make a line. That line is going to connect to that point right there. And then, that's the hard part, isn't it? I'll just put it right there. And then I need one from that point right there to that point right there. I don't know what's going on. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got here. I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to select that point. And I want... Alright, here we go. Let's try it. Oops, select that point, select that point. And I want those to be coincident. Much better. That point, coincident. Beautiful. See, sometimes you just have to work through things because it's not always going to work the way you want it to. All right. And then I got to trim this out a little bit because I don't want my my pipes going all the way through the center of my base here. So I'm going to do a trim. We've done trims before, so you might be used to that. Trim that. Trim that. You have to wait a little bit. There we go. All right, that's good. And now I have something I can work with.